Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you saw my last video, which I hope you did, of me showing you my free planner, I decided to take you on, or I mentioned that I would show you what I bought for Black Friday and how I'm setting up my sticker book with my new stickers. So I want to be consistent and making sure that I keep everything organized. So the first thing is I bought some stickers from Just Digital Plans. I'm just going to show you. I've already brought them in. So this is her section. So everything that I buy that's stickers will go behind this page or this section. So those other stickers I bought, I think they were her October stickers, and I bought them for these scenes that they have. I see a couple of Planet Serenity and of course Raw Elements and Lux Note, not Lux Book, but Lux Note using scenes. So I thought those was really cute. So I wanted to try them out. And so thank you all for putting me on to these scenes. And so I bought this section or collection, and it also has some other cute stickers in this section as well. I love this background right here. I definitely will be using this a lot with that pink and newspaper vibe. I love that. And so that's what this is for. All right, so let's take a look at some more things that I bought. I think this one is from Kezaku, and so we have a section for Kezaku. You do have to swipe if you just put the pages in. I don't want to create a page and drag everything over. I could, but it's just not necessary for me. So we're going to go to Kezaku, and then you'll just go to the end of that section. Now these I did create pages for, and I guess to be uniform I could use the same template, and that means that this is what I was telling you I didn't want to do. I want to grab all of these stickers. It does not take that long, guys. I just was being lazy, and so I just want my stickers in one section. All right, when I bring them over, I usually try to make sure I tap out and I move this page to the trash immediately. And then I'm just going to create another template, and we're going to keep on with this until we get them all over, which, like I said, it doesn't take that long. And then we want to make sure we tap out, move it to the trash, and the process continues as we create our sticker book with our new stickers. So I'm super excited about the new year. This is our last video for November. I cannot believe it, as I said before. And so I'm just trying to prepare for 2025. And I want to start planning. And so until I get organized, I can't plan because that's just how my brain works. Is anybody else like that? They just got to get everything organized and set up and make sure. But this week is flying by, and I haven't planned one thing. Now, I have been off most of the week. Now, I do like this page. This is not a sticker. So I think I'm just going to copy the page. So what I want to do is go behind this page, hit copy page, and then I want to come over here and paste it. And then that'll let me know the name of that section. And then you can go back out. I think when it's the last page, I think it's no more pages in here, you can just go back out and delete all of that. Just move it to trash. Okay, so that takes care of those stickers. A lot of these are journals. Oh, I have these. And these are from the same shop, I think. Don't get me the line. Just Digital Plans. But these are more like, I don't know. I don't really think I want to move these behind her section. I do have a calendar section. I really probably need to put them in my elements. But right now, we're going to move them to the calendar section. Even though it comes from Just Digital Plans, I probably would just move it over to the calendar section because these are calendar to me type of stickers. And so it doesn't matter where I place them, honestly. I hope to use these a lot, so I'm gonna put them near the front. And so I'm not gonna be doing all that moving over the calendar sticker. Should I? Gosh, I know I'm being lazy, so let's go ahead and just do it. All right, so now I gotta move all of these over, which I didn't want to do. And then they still work. They're all individual crop stickers. And so we just move it to the trash. I don't think it's that many pages, like 2 or 3. So we just use the same template. Now you can get them in and move them around. Like you may say, I want all of these together. It does not affect the link because I don't really have this super linked. And so you can move them around. Just get them in there, and then you can see where you want them or what's the flow of your sticker book after you get them into the actual planner. So it's just about being, consistent with the process. These are really cute. Really not doing a flip through of the stickers. Hopefully you'll see me use them a lot. And you definitely will see me flip through the planner, the sticker book, because I don't pre-plan. Okay, guys, so we got one more. And I'm showing you this in real time. And real time means how I'm actually doing it. So you can see it don't really take that long. So we just moving through the stickers I bought. I spent about 90 something dollars. I paid what, 23. And then if that's the last one, then you can just come out here and send it to the trash. All right, so these are her 4th edition. I do want to make a disclaimer for planner goodies because I was on here a couple of days ago and I was saying how I didn't understand her stickers and I moved them out because they wasn't individually done. But what happened was, let's just scroll down till we get to volume 3. I just bought volume 4. Is that she said her first book was not individually cropped and she just wanted to get us out the stickers, but everything after volume 1 was cropped. So 2, 3, 4 were all cropped. So I just purchased book 3 and it's 53 pages. So we just going to select them all, edit, select all, copy. And then I'm going to move them behind her volume 3. So this is her volume 3. I just want to show you. I have all the other volumes and we're just going to put them all together. I really think some of these pages can be combined, but that's not on the to-do list for today. And we could delete stuff that we're not going to use. So we're going to paste page after, paste page. Guys, I haven't seen any delay in putting all these stickers in one book. I haven't noticed any major issues with that so far. And so now I have her volume 4 and they're individually done. And to me, I could make this a lot smaller and add more stickers to a page. Having 8 to 10 stickers on a page will not hurt it, but I'm just not here for it today. And so all I would have to do is copy this, delete this, send this page to the trash, and then combine some of these stickers so I don't have so many pages. And that's a task for another day. And I do plan on doing that. So I just wanted to show you that you don't have to have, especially all these letters, I would move them all to one page. Putting about 8 to 10 stickers on a page is all you need. All right, so we have that. Let's get back to the beginning. Before, these are not stickers. These are all planners that I don't plan on using, but I do plan on using their templates. Let's be clear. So I bought all of these planners, and we'll talk about it in a minute. But I just saw that these are her face stickers from Planner Goodies. So let's go ahead and add those in. I'm just going to put... Do I want to move them to the fave section? No, I'm going to just keep them right here with her stuff. I'm going to put them in the front. Girl, we're not going all the way to the back. So we're going to edit, copy. No, girl, you got to select them and then copy. I don't know how many pages this is. Oh, it's only 32. Only 32. And so now we just want to come over here and we want to paste the pages. And now this is her faith set, and I really do want the faith stickers. They're so cute. I really do like them. I really fell in love, like forgiveness, let us pray. They're so cute. She has Bible quotes or whatever. So we're going to send this whole book to the trash can. And I'm not buying any more stickers to my birthday. Don't come out with nothing. I can't afford to buy anything else to after my... Really, I don't need no more stickers. I should have enough. But anyway, you know how we say that. So the rest of them are actual planners, and I want to go through those and decide which templates I'm going to use. And then once I do that, I'm going to go to the template section, and I'm going to house all of my templates back here. And so I've already started moving over Kristen's templates, and I've tweaked these. And so I kept them because I really want to go back and redo them. So I have them the way I use them in my other planner. And so I want to start using this annual tracker, you know, for my cycles, stuff of that nature. And so book trackers, movie trackers, I might have some fun with these stickers. And then we want to go into each one of these planners and look at the pages that we're going to take. If you want a full flip through or see how other planners are using this, please go over to Planning Serenity. Jess has some videos that you can watch that I'm not going to go back and do the same thing that she already did, but she put us on to this, and she does have a discount code. So check her out, and we greatly appreciate you, Jess, for showing us the way. All right, so I'm going to go through those and put those templates in off camera, but there's one more thing that I need to do before we go, and that is I bought some more girlies. Yes, I make them, but I still support people. I think I just like giving away money. So when you look at my sticker book, we can get rid of this right now. I have my women clip art. So these are my files. And so I already screenshot to make it go by faster, but I need to put in the pictures for 112, 113, all the way up. So I've already taken the pictures. I just need to figure out where they go. So what we're going to do is open up my file system. And we need Goodnotes open too. And then we need to go down to 112. And here's 112. So these girls are those. And so what I want to do now is go to my pictures. And I've already screened. Hopefully they're in order. This one. I think this is the set. So I try to find one person that looks like the same. See that red coat right there? Okay, so that's 112. And so we just stick this into 112. And I got this screenshot from Etsy because that's where I purchased all my stuff from. And you just slide in here. It's just so that if you're new here and this is your first, like, what is she doing? I don't know what's in these files. And I was tired of clicking. So I came up with my own filing system. And this is what it looks like. All right, so we're going to open up 113. We just need to see what they look like. We're going to go back to our pictures. And that's the Faith set. So that's real easy. See, it doesn't take long. And you can set up your filing system however you like. This is a free planner. If you're new here, I keep saying that because I want y'all to use it. Tell me what you think. All right, we're on 114. And that's the other set that I bought that day. I want to do what Christian do. Do y'all remember how she used to take that wheel and she would spin it and whatever number popped up, she had to use those stickers? That's kind of where I need to be. Just so you can get in the habit of using the stickers. Because, girl, you have so much. Like, I've never used those stickers ever. I've never used any of those. And I just want to. And I don't like using summer stickers in the winter and winter stickers in the summer. So I need to work on using the stickers when it's time. So these are some praying stickers. No, they're not. This goes here. All of these stickers was what I included in my Black Friday purchases. So I just wanted to make sure all this was set up. And so before I go, guys, I am having a coughing spell. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, before I go, these are my sticker books that I'll be using. So this is my planner. This is the cover. I told you I'll be switching out the girl each, well, I said month, but you know, whenever I feel like it. And then I want to put somebody on here. So we need to get the sticker book open. I'm sorry, I'm drifting down because my asthma is really kicking in right now. And so with this sticker book, I don't know, I kind of wish, I don't know. I really like her. I know she's not going to show up. Oh, she don't look bad. I kind of like her standing there and the sticker thing behind her. There you go. Girl, bye. All right, so that's what I'll be using for 2025. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We'll start setting up our goals, guys. I don't know if I can wait for you. I'm going to show you what I do tonight, but I'm ready to jump into this planner. I'm ready to start getting my December set up. I definitely need to go back and back plan for my month. Because I didn't even go into my Hello Gorgeous. I mean, I know I should have finished it out, but I didn't. So I'm ready to get started for whatever I got going on in December. So I hope you've stuck with me this long. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. I'm sorry I'm all over the place, but I'm trying to get set up for 2025. I'm trying to create planners and sticker books that you can enjoy as well as I can. Tell me what you think. I am in love, love, love. It's nothing like creating your own or finding that planner that works for you. And because I'm looking for goal setting, this planner I hope works for me. And I took the best of everything that I love and put it into one. And so until next time, guys, y'all know the deal. It's happy planning, baby.